everybody, it's Mike from Chili Pepper Madness. Today we are going to make a very simple, easy barbecue sauce recipe. I make barbecue sauces in all different kinds of ways by cooking down peppers and onions and garlic and all these, fresh ingredients. But this one you could make with pretty much ingredients straight out of your refrigerator or out of your pantry. It's super easy to make, and it's very versatile. You can use it on just about anything, and you'll never really ever have to run out of barbecue sauce again with this recipe. So all right, let me show you how to make it. Okay, the first thing we do is we get our pan heated up to a medium heat, and we have 3/4 to 1 cup of ketchup. And you can also use tomato sauce, which I often use, but ketchup has a nice little extra sweetness to it. And we have a 1/4 cup of spicy mustard. Get it in there. And I have a couple tablespoons of sriracha. And you can use as much or as little as you want to, maybe a little extra for extra spicy. I love the flavor of sriracha. And we have some apple cider vinegar for our tanginess. You gotta have some tanginess to your barbecue sauce, right? Good stuff. And we have a couple tablespoons of brown sugar. It's gonna add a nice little sweetness to it. And we also have a tablespoon of onion powder, or granulated is good. And if you'd like a little spicy kick to it, I've got some chili powder right here. So you can use your favorite chili powder blend or make your own, like I like to make little ghost pepper powder in mine, extra hot. And we have some garlic powder, super easy. And salt and pepper to taste. And last but not least, if you are looking for an extra spicy version of your barbecue sauce, like I often do, we have hot sauce. So use your favorite hot sauce. This is kind of a Louisiana style. I have a mix of peppers in here with a little touch of Reaper, but that's just for me. Patty might not like it so much. Little bit of hot sauce. That's it, guys. It's super easy. Stir it all together. Get everything nicely incorporated. It's going to be a good, thick, kind of a crazy, super easy, versatile barbecue sauce. All right. Get it nicely mixed. Look at that. Coming together. Look at how fast, like what, it's only been like a minute? Okay. All right, got this all mixed up, and the next thing we do, we just bring it to a real light, super quick boil, and then we're gonna let it simmer for about 10 minutes. And let the ingredients all meld together and become one excellent, easy barbecue sauce. So, all right, we're gonna come back in about 10 minutes and we'll take a look at it and give her a taste. All right, I've got my barbecue sauce heated through, starting to simmer up a little bit here. And let me give it a small taste. Very easy, very tasty. Got a nice level of spice to it, nice tanginess, just like what you want in a barbecue sauce. I'm telling you, I love this stuff. It's good, man. So anyway, this is super easy to customize. You guys really should think of this as kind of like a real simple base recipe. There are so many ways that you can customize it. You can, like I said, you can use tomato sauce instead of ketchup. You can use different mustards, more mustard, less mustard. Different vinegars are good. You can use as much or as little hot sauce as you want, other seasonings. Worcestershire sauce is actually really good in this recipe. It's so good. I've tried it with soy sauce and really liked that extra little spin on it. So again, think of different ways that you can totally customize your own barbecue sauce based on whatever pantry ingredients you have on hand or whatever's in the refrigerator. And just to make it shine, make it your own. So all right, that's it. Mike from Chili Pepper Madness. I hope you enjoy the barbecue sauce. Let me know what you use it on. So. All right, have a good one. See you next time. Bye.